you've got some software that needs looking after in the long term. You want it to evolve with your business. You want it to stay relevant. You want to look after it because it's your baby. You need to look after that software. And Ghyston can help there. Our support team is made up of a pool of talented developers, the same developers who work on the projects that Ghyston build. They've got exactly the same focus on quality and excellence, and they will be invested in seeing your product grow and succeed. What does it look like to bring your software into Ghyston Support? So we'll begin by basically doing a bit of a health check on your software's current state. We need to know what it's currently like to understand what's involved to be able to support it. So we'll begin with a free code review process. Now, this isn't a super in-depth code review. We're not going to be checking line by line that everything is perfect. But what we are checking for is the general health of the system at present, what things we kind of need to address or be aware of once we start supporting it, and what is the effort required for us to be in a position to support it. Following that code review, we basically then come up with a list of tasks that would need to be done to be able to support the software, and a quote for onboarding, and then an ongoing quote for looking after it in the long term. The main purpose of the onboarding process for some software that we are going to start supporting is that we need to get to a point where we can quickly and confidently deploy a fix should an issue arise at any point. And the things that lead into that are basically, can a developer get the system running to code on it quickly and efficiently? Are we comfortable with and familiar with what the release process looks like? How do we deploy changes to your environments? And is that well documented? Are we comfortable with that process and happy that it's not error prone and that it's going to go smoothly all the time? We also need to understand where testing can happen. There needs to be a place where you as the client can check that the work we've done meets your expectations before we release that to your real system. And we also need to be confident that when we're working on your system, we're not introducing any new issues. And the easiest way to do that is with a good automated test suite. If your software already has that, then that's brilliant. If it doesn't, we will need to work with you to just identify some of the critical user journeys and make sure we protect those first as part of the onboarding process. So if you have some software that you want taken care of, looking after, nurturing, making sure it grows with your business, let us know and we will begin that onboarding process with you.